Some pedal boaters, and you can rent kayaks. You could bring your own if you want to. There's swimmers, and there's Michael on the beach beside the green inner tube. So you see they changed the roof line on the pavilion and did away with the snack bar. The dresser and changing rooms are still there. That walkway just behind the sand is still there, but that had a fence, or if I remember, it had a fence separating it from the beach. But now they've got a fence back behind it separating it from the road. So you can see the truck just drive by there. So there's Michael and Lola. Lola, wave Lola.